Hey guys, hope everyone is doing great, and let's get right into today's video. So here I'm just showing off my pretty gel polish spring nails. Unfortunately the pinky came off, but yes, these are my spring nails. I thought this was so cute for my little short nails that I have in my small nail beds. But let's get right into this video. And for this video, I will be using these dual forms that I believe are called the edge shape. And to me, it's just a very high shape C curve. And you can see right here when I put it upside down how high that C curve looks, where it's overlapping the sides. And also for this set, I'll be using Patty Gel from Longhairprettynails, the Amethyst collection. And I'm also going to use some of these green stones and some of these golden circles for this set. So now I wanted to do more of like a gemstone set with these green stones and using that polygel, which has like this beautiful glitter. So I'm using that to create these gemstone nails. Now, it wasn't a particular like jade nails or amethyst or quartz nail, just something that I wanted to try out. So now I'm going in with Sweet Life, and I'm just pushing that into the dual form from side to side, and I'm not using a thick layer of the polygel, just enough to cover the entire nail so that I can start encapsulating using these green stones and my circle golden gems. So here I'm going in with these green stones, I'm gonna call them, and just placing them all over the nail. I didn't have a particular order, just wherever I thought that it would look cute, I just placed it on. And I kept looking from side to side to see that if there were any big gaps, just to fill them in. Now I was trying to use some smaller pieces and some that had a flatter surface, because these are not flat surfaces. They do have a rough cut to them. So like, that's why I call them stones, because they feel, like a regular stone that you would pick up, the roughness and also the edge. So now here I'm going in with my circle golden gems. And at first I just put them in any particular order. But then I thought to myself, oh, wait, let me actually use this to cover up the green stone, like make it inside the green stone. And I thought that was a cute idea. So you see me change it up and just now I'm pushing the gold circular gem into the green part, and I just use 3 of them for every single nail. So now I'm going in with another layer of polygel, and I'm just encapsulating the gemstones and making sure that nothing comes out. And once I finish putting that layer, I then go on and place it on my thumb and then cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So now here I'm doing the exact same thing I did with my thumb finger, placing a bead of that polygel into the nail form and covering the entire nail, and then placing the green stones and the golden gemstones around the green stones, and then making also doing another layer over the Polygel to encapsulate all the gems. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, why does she still have her gel polish on her natural nails? And that's because I did these nails a couple of days ago and I did not want to take them off. I thought they were so cute for the spring look. And so what I did was just put a peel off base coat on top and also a top coat to protect it, so that when I peel it off, when I take off these nails, it doesn't ruin the gel polish. So let me know if you guys think this was a good idea, or you think I should have just taken off the gel polish. But to me, at the overall, at the end, you know, let me know if it does, if you feel like it did affect the nail set or not. So guys, after I was done placing the last layer, I do not know why I did not put it on my finger right away. I just left it to the side and continued to do the rest of the dual forms, and then later on placed them on my nails. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, so that's what I did for this nail set. And I mean, it wasn't bad. It's just that I should have done it. I think I should have done it right away. But maybe I think it was because the nails might have been too long for me to continue, and I wanted to make sure that I was able to do it neatly and nicely. And you know, when working with long nails, it can be harder to do nail sets. So I think that's mainly the reason why that I waited afterwards to put on the nail tips. So now once I was done doing all the dual forms, I started placing them on my natural nails, and then I cured that for 60 seconds in the light individually. And once they were all done, I started taking off the dual forms, my favorite part. Sometimes it could be hard, so sometimes I'll like use my tweezers to pinch the sides, and then it'll come off easily. So that is what I'm doing here, just pinching that off. Look at that. Boom, take that off. Any day now. But look at that. Oh my God, guys, look how beautiful. I really love this polygel called Sweet Life by Evie Patty Gel. I really love it. This is definitely one of my favorites just because of that mylar glitter is just so beautiful. Like, it really is gorgeous. So yeah, I'm just continuing, and once I'm done, this is how they all look. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Look how shine. Look at that. Oh my God, so in love. And I just placed some alcohol to wipe off any dust and tacky layer, and now I'm going into my usual filing. I'm taking my 100 grit 180 grit nail file and shaping the sides and going around the cuticle and then the body of the nail and free edge, and just getting back to that shape. Now I go in with my sanding band around that cuticle area to make it as flush as possible. Now for this look, I'm going in with my Madam Glam Gold Gel Paint and White Gel Paint. And I'm also using my green liner gel paint that I got from AliExpress. Now here I'm taking my white and I'm just making some lines, not in any particular order, just diagonal lines from one side to the next side, and squiggling it out and trying to get some white in it. And I just do that for the rest of the nail. So now in order to make this gemstone look, you need some dimensions. So the first layer of my white was that's why I didn't really perfect it when it comes to lines, just because I knew that I was going to go over with some alcohol. So I'm taking my gel brush, dipping it in alcohol, and then spreading it out to make it look like it's smoky and giving it that smoky look. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like feathering it out and also making it not so dimensional as like a lot of gemstones look like. So when you're making a gemstone look, you want to make it as realistic as possible. And this is a great way to do that by taking that alcohol. It's very easy, taking the alcohol and just going around the line work that you did. Now you don't want to wipe it off. You just want to add some of that alcohol to, like I said, give it that smoky look and feather it out to make it not as straight line as possible. Now once I was done curing that for 60 seconds, I went in with this green, and I thought maybe like trying to do green lines, but when I saw that, I did not like it. So as I was wiping it off with the alcohol, it started changing the entire nail, and I was like, wait, hold on, I think I got something going on here. I actually like the way that green look. It gave it that a nice cute green tint, and I love that. So I was like, oh, let me just add that to all the nails then. So I did put a little bit too much on the ring finger and the pinky finger. So all I did was just add some more alcohol and started wiping everything, majority of it off, just to give it that tint. Now this is the part where I give the nail some dimension, and by going in with these white lines, I'm just going around some of the other white lines that I had did, but this is where the dimension comes in. Well, everything caused the dimension, because giving that smoky look first with the white, and then now I can go in and create these circular thin lines or squiggle thin lines like a gemstone would look. And I'm not putting too many because I didn't want to over flood the nails with white. So I'm just trying to place little by little, just here and there. And I do that for all of the nails. So now here I'm doing the exact same thing that I did with the white. I'm going in with thin gold lines, just placing them where I felt like it needed a little bit more dimension and just some shine. So I just do that, and I just do a couple. I don't do too many. And I do that for all of the nails. I really think that the gold definitely put it together and made it pop a little bit more. So once I was all done, I go in with my Macart top coat and top coat all the nails. And now look at the reveal. Oh my God, look how beautiful that is, guys. You cannot tell me that's not gorgeous. I love it. That green tint really changed it, and I love it. I mean, the only thing that I can say, you really can't see the gold gems on camera. You can see it in person, but I can definitely see the green stones. And yeah, here's the final look, guys. Oh my God, so pretty. Now, am I fond about the dual forms, the shape? No, I'm not a big fan of the shape. Just seems weird to me. This looked like almost it could have been stiletto just without the sides. So besides the dual forms and the shape, I think these came out gorgeous. Like I said, I just wanted to try out these dual forms and see how they look because I've never tried this shape before. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, and commenting. And I'll see you guys next time.